This is a Corbin 4-lever padlock. Up here so you can see a little bit better. The only markings it has on the front is a model number SV59. On the back side, this little tiny writing right there says patent NOV, which I assume is November, and the number is 21105 on there. And here is the key. It's an original. And it has the serial number SV59 on it as well. And I think it is 4 levers. And it is spring loaded. Pops up pretty much. And you can see in there. It has a looks like spring steel clasp that goes into the hook there and holds it in place. And I'm not positive, but it feels like this thing has false gates in it. But I don't know enough about these locks to verify that. Let's get this vise. There we go. See if I can adjust the light on that a bit. And you see it unlocks. And has a spring dust cover on it. And I'll use this homemade tension tool made from a key. And homemade wire. That in requires a fair amount of tension. That wasn't supposed to happen. Wow, usually it takes me 3-4 minutes or more to get that out unlocked. We'll have to try that again. That had to be a fluke. But I'll take it. Get that in there. Get a little bit of tension. I don't believe it. I must have hit on the secret. First lever, second, and third lever, hit it open. Okay, I can't see whether I'm amazed or embarrassed. But there you have it. 4-lever Corbin padlock picked 3 times. Thanks for watching.